Hi guys, it's Amy Dabelt, your Norwex independent consultant. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from me, please subscribe. So let's get into this. This video is all about the Norwex Carpet Stain Remover. Don't let the name fool you though. You can use it on carpet, upholstery, fabrics, dog beds, couches, you name it. Anything that you have that has material that could get stained, this can be your best friend. And it's made with, it's an enzyme-based product. So the enzymes are naturally occurring. They're like good bacteria, and they work to break down organic matter and destroy them and physically remove them. So long after you spray this product and wipe the stain away, the product continues to work for hours inside your fabric or carpet to continue to deodorize and get rid of any residual stains that might be below the surface. Organic stains like pet messes, pet getting sick or going potty. I know we've all had puppies. This is very effective because it's also giving you that deodorizing power. It does have orange extract in it. Orange extract has been used for years in deep cleaning products. It does help with the deep cleaning, but it also gives it a nice citrus scent. So I like working with it. I like the scent. You can use it directly out of this bottle, or you can dilute it, or you can use a capful in a carpet shampooer to give your carpet shampooer a real good boost. It does have a neutral pH. The neutral pH is important when selecting a carpet cleaner or a fabric cleaner for that matter, because a cleaning product with a lot of toxins in it or a high pH, low pH can be damaging to fabrics. It can degrade fabric and also cause discoloration. So this has a neutral pH, so it's safe to use on also, polyester, polypropylene, wool, the list goes on nylon. I mean, there's a ton of other fabrics. So there's not many surfaces or fabrics that you can't use this on. So I like it's very versatile. I don't need a ton of products to do one job in my house. I think I might have mentioned there's no colors or bleach added to this, so that's not going to cause any discoloration as well. Most off-the-shelf products that you get for carpet cleaning or fabric cleaning, they have dyes in them, they have some bleach components, and they cause discoloration. You're not going to get that with the carpet stain remover, and a little goes a long way. So it will come out in a foam, and that foam is going to sit on the stain and work to lift it up. So you want to spray the foam on the spot, let it sit 5 to 10 minutes, and then I like using it with my Enviro cloth. I come along behind with the Enviro cloth, damp, and gently blot the stain and pull that foam up, and the stain comes with it. It works really, really well. And of course, all of our products are guaranteed and have a money back guarantee as well. So if you'd like more information on the carpet stain remover, how it works or how to use it in your home, please drop me a note below. I'll be happy to help you with that. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.